Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Quran quiz. Question number 1. How many years was the Holy Quran revealed to the Prophet Muhammad? A. 30, B. 15, C. 23, or D. 5? The Holy Quran was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad in 23 years. Question number 2. The Holy Quran is the last and final word of A. Prophet Muhammad, B. No one, C. Angel Jibreel, or D. God. The Holy Quran is the last and final word of Allah. Question number 3. The Holy Quran was first revealed to the Prophet Muhammad on A. Jabal an-Nur, Cave of Hira, B. Jabal at-Tur, C. Jabal at-Tariq, or D. Mount Sinai. The Holy Quran was first revealed to the Prophet Muhammad on Jabal an-Nur, Cave of Hira. Question number 4. Which surah is the last surah of the Holy Quran? A. Surah Kawthar, B. Surah Ikhlas, C. Surah Nas, or D. Surah Falaq. Surah Nas is the last surah of the Holy Quran. Question number 5. Which surah is the longest in the Holy Quran? A. Surah Baqarah, B. Surah Anfal, C. Surah Fil, or D. Surah Hud. Surah Baqarah is the longest surah in the Holy Quran. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.